Okay, so this video is for section 9.4, and we're going to be talking about using multiple regression. So what this takes into account is that we have a dependent variable and it is affected by more than one independent variable. Okay, so a prime example of this is um, let's say you are trying to lose weight. Okay, so that would be your dependent variable is weight loss. And things that could affect that are how much water you drink. Are you exercising? Your diet? How many calories are you consuming? So it would be better to have a model that could take into account all those different factors. So we call these, when they have more than one independent variable, multiple regression models, okay? All right, so here is our equation. And so you'll notice we have our independent variable, and then we have the slope from variable 1 and the x from variable 1, the slope from variable 2 and the x from variable 2, and so on and so on and so on, okay? So the mathematics associated with this is relatively complicated, so we are going to be using a calculator with this section, okay? So what we can do is once we have our equation, we are going to use that equation to predict a y value, all right? So what we're going to do is we're going to substitute into each of the independent variables into the equation to calculate our y hat, okay? So let's go ahead and knock this out with a real example. Okay, so here's my regression equation. Okay, so they're telling me we want to predict a salary given they have 12 years at employment at X1, 5 years X2, and 16 years in education X3. So what we're going to do is we're going to say y hat equals 49,764 plus 364 times 12 plus 228 times 5 plus 267 times 16. Okay, so then I'm just going to type all that into my calculator, and that's going to end up giving me an answer of 59,544. And that's it. Done with that one. Okay. All right, so we have one more. So let's go ahead and do this next one. All right, so we have another regression equation, and this is helping us to predict a student's final exam grade given their midterm score and 3 missed classes. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug this in. 46.385 plus 0.54 times 78 minus 4.897 times 3. All right, so again, I'm just going to plug all that into my calculator, and I'm going to end up with a 73.8. And that's it.